Good morning, student. Now, today we discuss Dalton's atomic theory. Last time we can explain about the laws of constant proportions. The ratio of the masses of the compounds, right, made by the atoms are equal. Now, what is Dalton's atomic theory? Dalton, a scientist, gave one explanation, means one theory about the constant proportion of mass constant proportion. So, what are the main 6 postulates of Dalton's atomic theory? This is the most important question. State Dalton's atomic theory and its postulate. 3 marks question. So, what are the postulate? Postulate number 1. All the matters is made up of very teeny particles and it is known as atom. Atom is the teeny smallest particles, right? And second number, the atoms are indivisible particles which cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reactions. So these two postulates. First postulate, matter can be made by smallest teeny particles, it is known as atom, and atom is indivisible particles which cannot further divide, or the main atoms cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reactions. Now atoms cannot be destroyed in chemical reactions. Okay. Now third number, atoms are identical in mass and chemical, right, properties. So first, atoms are identical. The mass of atom is constant, equal. Each elements have constant mass and their chemical properties are same as well as in atom. Fourth number, atoms of different elements have different mass. Suppose hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1 unit. Suppose carbon, atomic mass is 12 units. Nitrogen, 14 units. Correct? So different atoms have different atomic mass and atomic mass is identical. Suppose hydrogen is 1/1, carbon 12 only. So this postulate number 4, different elements have different mass. For example, hydrogen 1, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, like that. And fifth number, right? Atoms combined in the ratio of small and whole number. Now atoms combined in ratio of small number and whole number. Means suppose H2O, so 2:1, whole number, not 1/3, 1/2, right? And H3, nitrogen 1, hydrogen 3. So atoms can combine in the ratio of whole number, right, or the fixed and constant ratio. And last, the relative numbers and kinds of atoms are constant. Means the relative numbers and kinds of atoms are constant in the given compounds. So any compounds have constant fixed kinds of atom. Suppose NaCl, so no, sodium and chlorine, water, H2 and O. So this total 6. Today I explain you 6 postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So one by one, constant teeny particles made is known as atoms. Atom is identical mass. Each and every atoms have, right, specific mass and chemical properties. Now identical masses, different elements have different, or atoms have different masses. The ratio and combined with whole numbers or the relative numbers and kinds of atoms are constant, means fixed. So today you write in your classwork Dalton's atomic theory and its postulate. 6 postulates you will write in your classwork.